This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file city taxes. First, determine if your city has a local income tax requirement. Not all municipalities do. Next, gather all your essential financial documents. This includes your W-2 forms, any 1099 forms, and other income statements. Finally, find the correct tax forms and instructions specific to your city. These are usually available on your city's official website or at a municipal building. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth filing process. Once you have your documents, the next step is to calculate your taxable income. This involves determining your total gross income that is subject to city taxes. Be sure to identify and apply any deductions or credits that your city's tax code allows. For example, some cities offer deductions for specific expenses or contributions. Carefully review all your figures. Even a small error can lead to discrepancies or penalties. Accuracy here is key to a correct filing. Now it's time to complete your city tax forms. Fill in every required section with precise information, ensuring no fields are left blank unless instructed. Once completed, decide how you will submit your forms. Many cities offer convenient online portals, while others accept mail or in-person submissions. Remember to include any necessary payments. Most cities require payment by the filing deadline, typically April 15th. To avoid late fees and interest charges, plan ahead to meet this important date. After successfully filing your city taxes, good record keeping is crucial. Retain copies of all your submitted forms, payment confirmations, and supporting documents for a minimum of 3 years. This is vital for any future audits or inquiries. Also, set reminders for upcoming tax deadlines to ensure you're always prepared. Finally, make it a habit to review your city's tax regulations each year, as rules and forms can change. Staying informed helps simplify future filings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.